The Sailor Moon chocolates have arrived. The packaging is so cute. This is a 9-piece tin. It's a pretty good size. It has artwork from the first 4 seasons, missing stars as usual. After you're done with the chocolates, you can reuse the tin. On the back, it shows the chocolates inside and expiry date of June 30th. The inside has bubble wrap to protect the chocolates. One of them has caramel, one of them is almond cream. The Luna heads are custard, and some are just regular milk chocolate. When you open up the seal, you can smell the chocolates right away. This is the 4-piece box set. The box is made of cardboard, but there's gold foil on it. It's really pretty. On the back, it shows you what's inside, and the expiry date is also June 30th. You open it up, the inside looks like this. And here are the chocolates. They're the same ones as the 9-piece set. This pouch is made of cardboard, and there's also gold foil on the packaging. It comes with a metal Luna charm, and there are 10 pieces of heart-shaped crunchy chocolates inside. The expiry on this is also June 30th. This is how the chocolate looks like. This is how the charm is hooked on. You can remove it if you like. And inside looks like this. Here's how they look like, the 10 pieces that are inside. Next are these super cute Luna and Artemis tins. The moons on them are metallic. I love how they're labeled. This is so cute. On the back, it shows you what's inside. And the expiry for this is also June 30th. This is how the inside looks like. There are only 4 pieces of chocolate in each tin. The wrapper is in plain pink. If you can see, there's little drawings of wands and compacts on it. And then we have this big gift set. It has cookies, chocolates, and a tin. It comes in this big cardboard box. There's a window to see the tin, and this little strip tells you what's inside. The colors are really pastel, very pretty. This is the only one with a different expiry date. This one expires on April 26. This is how it looks like once you open it up. Once again, there's bubble wrap to protect the chocolates. These are the same ones in the 9 and 4-piece set. Here's the tin. and on the back. And here are the cookies. Some of mine came broken. And inside this tin are 5 of these chocolates.